Mr. and Melindy, they just stand and they don't know what to do. I guess it feels good to them. Don't it, Melindy? All right, this is it. Nobody else is here. Mister and Melindy, and that's it. On the left. So if that's all that shows up, that's all that's getting fed. This is gonna be rough later on. Mister's ready to get in here. Hey, Mister. He's got all his curls going on with all this rain, kind of like his mother, Goldie. All right, we got a flash flood watch going on. It's raining. It's raining hard. We're supposed to be getting downpours from pretty much all day, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. So I'm here. I'm rain or shine. You got to feed these cows, and I'm about to feed them. And the only ones that are here are Melindy and Mister. So Mister's here, Melindy's over there. I tried calling the frou-frou lady. She wasn't quite interested. Yeah, Mister. She wasn't interested. So anyway, I don't know if I'm just here to feed these two. I'm just here to feed these two. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get it started, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. We're gonna see how it goes. All right, Mister, you be sweet back there. I don't know, I think Mister's voice is getting deeper. I don't know, I guess he's growing up. He's maturing. All right, not give him too much. But anyway, there we go. Ugh. Get out of here. Hear it? It's just like, I don't know, Mister? Mister said, hurry this thing up. He's tired of waiting. Come on, Mister. Now, Mister's right there at that door, that gate. I got to come back here. He's coming back here now. Come on, Miss. Get over here. This is that big rain cloud coming that I was talking about. All right, Mister, good. He's out of the way. Come on in, Mister. Let's go. He gets shelter. He said, this is my house. Get out of here. All right, this is just a mess here. See all this mud? Come on, Melindy. Get on in here, Melindy. Come on, Melindy. Come on, I'm trying to keep it dry, Melindy. Come on. Come on, girl. All right, so I was able to get the others fed. They all came up as you saw, but anyway, the troughs are getting filled up with water, and that pretty much just ruins the feed, and they won't eat it because you know how they are. They just kind of picky, picky cows. But anyway, Frou Frou Lady, Goldie, and the twins, and Mr. Little Self, I don't know where they are. They're probably just standing in the rain or eating, or I don't know if they're laying down in it. I don't know, but anyway, I'm sure they're fine. But anyway, we're able to get all of the rest of them fed, so I'm about to get out of here. It's just going to be like this pretty much all day in the next couple of days. So hope y'all staying dry and everything like that. I'm going to go ahead and close this up. Mister's done. And have to lock it. It's locked. So anyway, I'm going to head on out of here and try to get dry and try to clean up. And hope y'all doing great. Thanks for tuning in. See y'all next time.